Hi everybody, today we're gonna show you how to repair bad functional bottom of curve Samsung remote control, which is common problem. In order to solve the problem, you need to open the access of these batteries door. In order to access them, you need to squeeze the whole remote control between your palms of your hands and in direction of this arrow, push them in order to open it easily. This is the best way to access to batteries, and then remove battery immediately. In order to open this part, you need to use these clips openers, which are common and not expensive, very cheap, but you have to be careful to do not damage. But sometimes you're gonna damage some of them which are not important, but keep most of them healthy in order to nicely close your control. I don't want to make this video long, so quickly I'm going to show how to solve the problem. Here is the white sticker, which are buttons are under them. Don't forget to remove batteries. You're gonna easily access to these parts in this way. In this way, you can easily access to the board. And this sticker easily comes up. Be careful to not tear it. And then, with use of this petrol, Zippo petrol, and toothbrush, clean them and let them dry. Then easily you can put the bag. Don't remove, I highly recommend that don't remove this sticker entirely. For example, for here, from here to here, pull it up and clear this part, and put it back, let it dry, put it back, and from here to here, pull up and clean it, let it dry, and pull it back, in order to do not misalign these buttons. Very important, don't forget this part. Okay, now you are good to use your button. So put everything together and you are good to go. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate. Goodbye.